In this video, I will show you how to make a Roblox group. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and create a group on Roblox, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to Roblox and log into your account. Once you're logged in to create your group, you need to come over to this menu on the left hand side, and what you want to do is click onto communities. So groups are now known as communities, so what you want to do is give that a click and you'll be taken to a page like this. Now from here, if you look towards the top, you're going to see a button which says create community. What you want to do is go ahead, give that a click, and it's going to take you to a page like this where you can go ahead and create your group or community. So what you want to do is give your community a name. So I'm just going to call this one Tech Tutors Community. Then what you can do is add a description, which is completely optional, but you can put something in here if you want to. What you can do is add an emblem for your community, so like a group logo, and you can either drag an image here or just click and select an image from your computer. So what I've done, I've just added my channel logo, as you can see. After doing this, you can come down to the settings and choose whether you want anyone to join, which means anyone can search your group and they can join it without you having to accept them. Or you've got the option for manual approval, which means that basically when anyone requests to join the group, you will need to approve their request to add them to the group. Now, once you're happy with everything, come down to the bottom. It does cost a small fee of 100 Robux to create your group, as you can see. But if you're happy to go ahead, click the button here, and you're going to get the purchase confirmation screen come up. Just go ahead and click purchase, just like so. And as long as you've got enough Robux, you're going to go ahead and create your group or community. So that is how to make a Roblox group. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.